Hello, students. So, today we are going to see this topic uh, problem solving skills. So, in our day to day life, we are taking so many decisions to solve many problems. Okay. So, likewise, computers are used to solve many problems. So, in this developing world, you need this problem solving skills that are necessary in all aspects of your life. Okay, so you can use the computer to uh, solve problems. Okay, so there are necessary skills that are available in the computer, so that you can use this skills to solve the problem. So, what is a problem? Okay, so any kind of issue that arises in any part of the life, so that it will not give a regular result, or regular flow of data. Okay, so let's take uh, let's take a small example. Say, for example, they are taking census. So in olden days, you can see that all the census must be recorded as paperwork. Okay, so to take a census of Indian nation, you can see that more than more than more than few crores people are available in India. So it takes a very long time, and you can see that hmm, the census is done in paperwork. It takes a very large paperwork to be furnished, and you can see that to store all the paperwork, it is a very difficult one. And if you want to search anything from this paperwork, then it would be even more difficult. To solve this problem, computer provides an easy way of creating a database and entering all the datas. Okay, so that it will be fine, it will be very easy to search a data and to provide a detail. And you can see that uh, there are softwares for database and modification of this database. Okay, so this is a problem. Okay, this is a problem, and this is a solution for it. Okay, so storing all the data in the sensex, uh, from the sensex, is a bit large data, but you cannot able to store it in papers. So that's why computers are used as to create a database, and all the information are stored in the database, and it is easy to retrieve that in a quick way. Okay, so this is the solution, the problem and the solution. So in the next slide, you can see that how computers solve the problem. So computers are used to solve the problem, and you can see that there is a word, you can see that in the screen, is algorithm. Okay, algorithm an algorithm is a procedure or formula for solving a problem based on conducting a sequence of specific actions. So you can see that the pronunciation of algorithm is algorithm. algorithm. Okay, algorithm. And the word itself, you can see that it is a steps or step of procedure or formulas, so that uh, it is very easy to produce a solution for a problem. Okay, so this is an algorithm. So algorithms can be used uh, to solve a problem. Okay, so this algorithm can be provided to a computer, and this computer executes this formula or procedure and finds the solution for the problem. Okay, so next is, you can see that there is another way of producing a solution for a problem is flowchart. Okay, so this is a way of analyzing the problem and analyzing the solution of the problem. Okay, so this is meant for human understanding. Okay, so if you provide a if you provide a problem in a pictorial way, it will be easy to understand the uh, issue or problem, and you can see that it is very easy to very easy to find a solution for that problem. Okay, so here you can see that they has given an example. Okay, an example to to a problem by using flowchart method. Okay, so flowchart is simply a graphical representation of steps that shows um, it shows steps in sequential order, and is widely used in presenting the flow of algorithm workflow or processes. Typically, flowcharts shows the steps as boxes and various kinds, and their order by connecting them with the arrows. So here you can see that there is a flowchart for finding the problem in a lamp. Okay, so lamp doesn't work, so find whether the lamp is plugged in connected to the power supply or not. So uh, yes means it will find the next problem. No means it will uh, check whether the lamp is plugged into power supply or not. So if plugged in, then it will check whether the working bulb is working or not. If yes, then replace. Bulb is fused, then it should replace the bulb, or else you can see that you can repair the circuitry, okay, of the lamp. Okay, so example this is a small example of creating a flowchart for a small problem. So there are so many problems available in the industry or in any part of the life. So you can create flowchart for it and find a solution for this uh, problem. Okay, so with this we'll finish the class today. We'll see the uh, rest of the things in the next class. Thank you, students.